What is happening? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and another commission came through. As you can see here, that's a $600 commission. And I'm going to show you this happened about 15 minutes ago, 16 minutes ago now. As you can see, we are in real time. And people are asking, Adriana, so how is it that you are able to be on the go and receive these instant commissions on a consistent basis? And so in the step-by-step training, I show you exactly how to do this, right? How to have your online business working for you 24/7. So I just decided to create a video to show you what is inside the blueprint, right? I'm going to show you exactly what is inside the blueprint. When you get started, what are you going to get access to? I'm going to show you the different digital products so you can get a good idea of what it is that you're going to be getting access to. Again, that's another $600 commission that just came through. But I wanted to show you also, a lot of people always say, hey, Dran, I know that you're making results. What about the team members? And I did want to let you know about what's going on with the team. When you go visit the site successwithadriana.com, you're going to be able to request to be added to our 10K plus community Facebook group to get the full details, so be able to see, what we're all about. And as you can see right here, we have over 10.6K members inside of our community. And here you're going to be able to pretty much see different presentations that we have done. Julia, one of the team members, is welcoming a new team member. We could see here Tanya, she mentioned 950 US dollars in 24 days generated with the system. She said, what an amazing first month of the year. I'm excited, pumped, and motivated to keep pushing. This system is beyond awesome. Just be consistent. So super excited for her. And Stefan here, that was 22 hours ago. The January results are in. He was able to generate over 44,000 in 26 days. And James Salma, just an hour ago, he made another 100% commission. And so if you want to be added just to check out what the community is all about and what type of results they're creating, make sure that you just go ahead and follow the directions once you visit the site. And I also just wanted to jump in and show you what step-by-step training you're going to be getting access to. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek on exactly what that is. So let's go ahead and jump in. So right here, this is a little sneak peek of what you're going to get access to. And as you can see, we have 4 different digital products. There's the 50 starter level, the 150 Elite, the 300 Pro, and then the Premium 600, which is the most popular one. But I'm going to go ahead and dive into the 300 six-figure blueprint, what you're going to get access to inside of this training membership site. And this is what it looks like. It's very step-by-step. Step 1 is get started, how to request your website, write your affiliate link. And then step number 2, I show you how to get your automated sales funnel, get a system that is working for you 24/7. And then I also show you how to get traffic, right? And then the very first thing that I'm very big on is having the right mindset in order to be successful in anything that you try to go after in life, right? You have to have the right mindset. So there is mindset training, which is the most important thing. And then, of course, we give you over, as you can see here, 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads to start pasting them, right? Using the different strategies that we're going to show you. Now, a lot of people, I'm not going to click on it because it has pretty much everything, but a lot of people do ask, Eternal, so what is it that you do on a daily basis to create the results that you create? How is it that you're able to earn those instant $600 commissions, instant $300 commissions? And I give you a 7-day action plan for success. So I show you exactly what I do on a Monday, on a Tuesday, and a Wednesday. Exactly what my business structure is. And I always focus on income producing activities. Okay, because you can be wasting all your day away by doing just whatever, not really knowing what you need to do. And so once you have a direct, just a clear path to exactly what you need to be doing, I think things are just going to flow. And so that's exactly what I show you, what I do on a daily basis to create the consistent results that I create. Okay. Facebook marketing mastery, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing. I show you how to find tons of targeted leads that are already interested in what you have to offer. YouTube automation. I show you what my strategy is to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation. And I break it down. There's quite a bit of videos here that you're going to be able to watch. And I show you again, very step by step on exactly what you need to do, how to structure everything with your YouTube channel for success. So that is something that you get from me. TikTok marketing, I show you how to get tons of free targeted leads as well with TikTok marketing. I give you some bonus training in there. Of course, At the 300 Pro level and at the Premium Pro level, you do get a vacation voucher. Actually, at the Premium level, you get a $1,000 savings digital card that you can apply towards hotel discounts, family activities, and car rentals. And again, that's 1K worth of discounts that you're going to be able to get just as a bonus because you came in, you trusted us enough to come in at the highest level. So again, there are no monthly fees with this opportunity. Once you're in, you're in. And take action today. Go to successwithadriana.com. And other than that, I will see you at the top.